Hello students, how are you all? I hope you are enjoying spoken English, and please share your feedback also on the YouTube channel so that I can get some motivation to make more and more videos. Let's start. अभी मेरा खाना खाने का मूड नहीं है. Okay, we're talking about मेरा ये करने का मूड नहीं है. I don't feel like eating. I don't feel like having food. Right now I don't feel like having food. Why? Because मेरा पेट भरा हुआ है. I am feeling full. Okay? My stomach is feeling full. I am feeling full. What will you do in today afternoon? तुम्हारे दोपहर में क्या करोगे? क्या करने का मन है? आज मेरा दोपहर में बाजार जाने का मन है. I will go to market in today afternoon. I will go to market in today afternoon. मुझे घर का कुछ जरूरी सामान खरीदना. I have to buy some important household items. I have to buy some household item. How will you go to market? तुम बाजार कैसे जाओगे? मैं बाजार ऑटो से जाऊंगा. I will go to market by auto. Yeah, I will take an auto to the market. मैं एक ऑटो ले लूंगा. I will take an auto. तुम ऑटो से क्यों जाओगे? Why will you take an auto? Why will you go by auto? Why will you go by auto? Yeah, why will you take an auto? तुम ऑटो क्यों लोगे? ऑटो से क्यों जाओगे? तुम्हारे पास तो तुम्हारी अपनी बाइक है. You have your own bike. नहीं यार, बाजार में बाइक खड़ी करने में दिक्कत होती है. No, there is parking problem in the market. Therefore, auto is the best option. I am a publisher. मैं एक प्रकाशक हूँ. मैं एक सिविल इंजीनियर हूँ. I am a civil engineer. ये very common sentences about my profession. I am a publisher. मैं एक सिविल इंजीनियर हूँ. I am a civil engineer. अभी मैं अपने काम में व्यस्त हूँ. Right now I am busy in my work. मैं तुमसे बाद में बात करता हूँ. I talk to you later. I will talk to you later. मैं तुमसे बाद में बात करूँगा. तुम एक होशियार विद्यार्थी हो. You are a brilliant student. तुम बहुत जल्दी सीखते हो. You learn very fast. I am very impressed with you. मैं तुमसे बहुत इम्प्रेस हूँ. कपड़े गीले हैं. Clothes are wet. Let them dry more. अभी उन्हें और सूखने दो. कपड़े गीले हैं. Clothes are wet. या कपड़े अभी भी गीले हैं. Clothes are still wet. Let them dry more. उन्हें और सूखने दो. वह हमेशा अपने टीचर की शिकायत करती है. She always complains about her teacher. पता नहीं उसकी टीचर ने क्या कर दिया है. I don't know what her teacher has done. I don't know what his teacher has done. Yeah, don't know what her teacher has done. Don't know what her teacher has done. मुझे यह काम करने की जरूरत है. I need to do this work. Simple. I need to do this work. मुझे काम करना चाहिए. I should do this work. I should do this thing. I should do this job. I should do this task. Whatever. इस दुर्घटना के लिए कौन जिम्मेदार है? Who is responsible for this accident या mishappening? उसने अपने दुख को अपनी मुस्कुराहट के पीछे छुपा लिया. He hid his sorrow behind his smile. Okay? उसे इंग्लिश सीखने की जरूरत है. He needs to learn English. या she needs to learn English. क्या आपको दवाई लेने की जरूरत है? Do you need medicine? Do you feel like taking medicine? Do you feel like having medicine? मैं व्यस्त हूँ. I am busy. So like this you can use. So thank you for this is all for the episode number 13. See you in the episode number 14. Thank you very much for watching.